Kurikirira guthondekwo werũ gwa Kihaaro kia Nyayo riu ni kihonia kuri endia mathako na athaki guku bururi-ini. Hingo ya kuhingura Kihaaro giki muthenya wa umuthi, President ni athite ruhonge rwa Sports Kenya gutigirira Kihaaro giki ni kiaramatwo na njira iria yagiriire.
Make sure that our sporting facilities are well managed and not allowed to fall once again into deplorable states of repair. Sisi zote tumeona ile mumepatiwa na jemedari. We shall be coming to see, my friend.
But we are happy because we want to play here against Zambia on 10th, Harambee Stars versus Zambia. And then we want to play here against Sudan as well.
Kihaaro giki gitanyitwo gukahuthika na njira nene thiini wa mahenya ma under 20 maria meriga gutirio mwaka uyu ni undu wa king'uki gia COVID-19 riu magitengerwo mwaka wa 2021.
We are grateful, Your Excellency, for your leadership in providing the funds that we required, the resources that we required to develop other sports facilities across our beloved country. We are working around the clock to complete all of them as you yourself directed.
Your Excellency, next week we are going to have the continental tour, as the Cabinet Secretary has said, where we already have 30 countries that will be represented, already sending the athletes to come here.
Iharo ingi iria ciari mutaratara-ini wa gwakwo werũ ni hamwe na Kihaaro kia Moi Kasarani guku mucii munene wa Nairobi, Kipchoge Keino Stadium kuria mwena wa Eldoret, Kamarini Stadium mwena wa Elgeyo Marakwet, oro ũndũ ũmwe na Kihaaro kia Wote kuria mwena wa Makueni.
We are currently on the verge of completing the construction of the Jamhuri Sports, Leisure and Entertainment Park here in Nairobi. In addition to the upgrading of sporting facilities in Eldoret, Marsabit, Meru, Chuka, Kisumu, Nyeri, Makueni, Wanguru in Kirinyaga, and Kirigiti in Kiambu.
President yauma hamwe na CS wa mathako Amina Mohamed gatagati ka atongoria angi hingo ya kuhingura Kihaaro giki kia Nyayo.